Welcome to RiseTop, where we're uncovering the game changers America needs right now. Today it's all about your gut, the unsung hero behind that radiant confidence, unstoppable energy, and yes, the magnetic vibe turning heads coast to coast. This isn't just health talk, it's a wake-up call. 70% of Americans wrestle with gut issues, bloating, fatigue, mood dips, and women are leading the charge to flip the script. Why? Because a thriving gut isn't just about feeling good. It's about owning your power, your glow, your sexy edge. Let's dive into the microbiome revolution that's rewriting what it means to live boldly in 2025. Right now, 38 trillion microbes are running the show in your gut, more than the population of every US city combined. These tiny titans aren't just chilling. They're calling the shots on your mood, energy, and even how you strut your stuff. Studies from Zoe, the US-backed health innovator, prove it. 95% of serotonin, your happy hormone, comes from your gut, not your brain. Foggy memory, low vibes, that's your microbiome waving a red flag. For American women, this hits home. A 2024 survey found 1 in 3 feel bloated or drained weekly. Sound like your Monday? Those Instagram queens radiating confidence aren't just lucky. They've cracked the gut code. A thriving microbiome isn't a luxury. It's your ticket to feeling fierce and turning heads without breaking a sweat. Here's a stat to chew on. You'll eat 36,300 kilos of food in your lifetime, 475 kilos a year, straight from the US. Plate. Dr. Will Bulsiewicz, a gut health legend, says that's not just calories, it's medicine. But most Americans are stuck at 10-15 plant types a week, while the American Gut Project screams 30 is the gold standard. Why? Variety feeds your microbes, and happy microbes mean a happier, hotter you. Across the states, women are ditching processed junk. 60% of us overeat it, for plants that pack a punch. Legumes, berries, whole grains, they're not just for hippies, they're for the bold. Fiber turns into short-chain fatty acids, your gut's secret weapon. Want that natural glow men can't resist? It starts with what's on your fork. Let's get real. Fiber's not dull, it's dynamite. Your gut bacteria transform it into short-chain fatty acids like butyrate, slashing inflammation, repairing your gut wall, and even boosting your brain. A 2023 Zoe study showed women with high SCFAs had tighter waists and steadier blood sugar. That's not just health, that's power in every curve. But here's the gut punch. Only 5% of Americans hit the fiber mark. We're talking real plants. Chia seeds, oats, not the fake stuff in cereal bars. Start small, toss a spoonful into your coffee. Your gut's a muscle, flex it and watch it sculpt you into your boldest, sexiest self. Brace yourself. 60% of your poop is bacteria. A daily snapshot of your gut's soul. The Bristol Stool Chart is your decoder. Type 4, that smooth sausage, is the dream, tied to fiber-rich diets. Type 1 pellets or type 7 floods. Your gut's crying for help usually, from too little fiber or too much grease. In the US, 1 in 5 women battle constipation, 1 in 6 face diarrhea. Stats from the Big Poo Review echo here too. Plant-powered women are nailing type 4, strutting out of the bathroom like queens. Peek before you flush. It's free wisdom. On your microbiome's vibe. How long does your burger take to bounce? Gut transit time, mouth to toilet, spills the tea. Zoe's Blue Poo study pegs 24 to 48 hours as prime. Under 14, you're sprinting to chaos. Over 58, you're stuck in slow-mo, low fiber's the usual suspect. For women, this is gold. Slow, transit traps toxins, fast steals nutrients. Fiber's your rhythm. Think sweet potatoes over fries. American women tweaking this? They're not just regular, they're radiant, inside and out. Brown's the norm, bile's doing its fat digesting job. But white poop? Bile's blocked, call your doc. Yellow? Fat's not breaking down, maybe pancreas woes. Red or black? Blood's a siren. Colon cancer nails 150,000 Americans yearly, hitting younger now. Green? Could be greens or a bug. Women? This is urgent. Colon cancer's rising, linked to weak guts and junk diets. Fiber's your armor. Every 5 grams slashes risk. A sexy gut isn't just flirty, it's fierce protection. Love a cocktail? It's gut sabotage. Hangovers aren't just thirst, your microbiome's trashed. A 2024 study tracked lipopolysaccharide leaks, gut wall breaches spiking with every drink. Even safe limits, 3 for men, 2 for women, chip away at your core. American women ditching booze, 1 in 4 millennials report sharper minds and sultrier skin. Trade that wine for kombucha, your gut's begging and your mirror's cheering. Kimchi, sauerkraut, real pickles, these are 2025's gut MVPs. Stanford's 2023 trial proved 8 weeks of fermentation ramps microbiome diversity. Less bloat, more brilliance. Women in Chicago are jarring cabbage, turning it into probiotic gold. Salt, a jar, a week, boom, you've got a gut-boosting bomb. Prebiotics feed, probiotics seed, postbiotics heal. It's the sexy trifecta American women are owning. Prebiotics, fiber, fuel, your gut crew. Probiotics, live bacteria, join the squad. Postbiotics, SCFAs, deliver the wins, gut repair, calm vibes, brain boosts. 40% of US women pop probiotic pills, but food's the real deal. Yogurt trumps capsules. Postbiotics are queens, sealing leaks, soothing storms. Skip sugary fakes. Plants and ferments are your gut's red carpet treatment. Fecal transplants, poop, from a healthy gut to yours, are wild and real. They've crushed C. diff for a decade. Now trials hint at bigger wins like colitis relief from one donor's magic mix. Picture this. Women with A-list guts banking their bounty. It's not fantasy, it's 2025's edge. We need data to match donors to fixes, but this could redefine health and wealth for America's boldest. Obesity, diabetes, depression, autoimmune woes, they're gut-linked. Mouse studies blow minds. Obese twin poop fattens mice, same calories. Human swaps. Diabetic blood sugar drops. 1 in 10 American women fight IBS, often with mood dips. Your gut's not a sidekick, it's the star. Feed it right and you're not just surviving, you're slaying every room you walk into. No gut's the same, twins share just 25% of microbes. Your diet, your life, your story, shape it. Zoe tests reveal one woman's gut is a paradise, her partner's a wasteland. Who's winning? The one with variety. American women swapping soda for seeds are rewriting their codes. It's not luck, it's power. Small moves, big wins, your gut's yours to rule. 70% of your immune system camps in your gut wall. Junk diets crack it, sparking chronic inflammation. Half of Americans feel it, raising risks galore. SCFAs patch it up, keeping you fierce. Women stacking plants over stress. They're not just strong, they're untouchable. Your gut's your shield. Wield it. Your gut's wired to your brain. 95% of serotonin's born there, riding the vagus nerve. Low SCFAs, focus flops, vibes crash. A 2024 study tied fiber to kids' sharper minds, adults too. Women trading candy for kale? They're not. Just chill. They're electric. That inner fire? Gut lit and irresistible. Your mom's gut seeded yours. Birth and breastfeeding set the stage. But low-fiber diets? They've gutted diversity across generations. Stanford mice lost half their microbes over time. Sound like us? Women eyeing motherhood, your gut's their inheritance. Stack those plants. Your kids deserve a fierce start. Stress, sleep, love. They shape your gut. A 2023 study found tight-knit couples share more microbes than loners. Trauma? It scars your microbiome. 2024 adoption data proves it. Women thriving. In 2025, they're connecting, resting, moving. Hug hard, sleep deep. Your gut's getting sexier every second. Dr. B's F Goals is your blueprint. Fruits, fermented, greens, grains, omega-3 seeds, aromatics, legumes, shrooms, seaweed, sprouts. No limits, just life. US women on legumes live longer, fiercer. Sprouts? 50x broccoli's punch, cancer-proof and curve carving. This is freedom, American style. Bold and unstoppable. Calories in, calories out? Half of US dieters yo-yo. Your gut decides what sticks or slips. High-fiber women poop out more calories naturally. It's not math, it's magic. Women choosing plants over junk, they're full, fabulous, and shedding weight without hunger. Quality's the 2025 anthem. Sing it. Ozempic's buzzing. 1 in 8 Americans know a user. It hacks GLP-1, your gut's fullness trigger. Plants do it free, no shots. Type 2 diabetes, reversible with fiber, not just masked. Women picking ferments over pharma, they're winning. Sustainably, sexily, American strong. Libido fading, hormones like estrogen and testosterone tango with your gut. Pheromones, your scent pull, tie back too. A 2024 study hints kissing vibes are gut-born. Women with lush guts, they radiate vitality. Men feel it. Stack sprouts, shine bright. Your gut's your sexiest ally. This is your moment, America. Your gut's the key to 2025's boldest you. Energy, strength, allure. Start easy. Berries in your bowl, kombucha on tap, a poop peak. This isn't a fad, it's your power. Smash subscribe for more RiseTop truth, and drop gut fire in the comments if you're ready. Let's rise. Fierce, sexy, unstoppable. Disclaimer. The content in this video on the RiseTop YouTube channel is for informational and entertainment purposes only. It is not intended as medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always consult a qualified healthcare professional before making changes to your diet, lifestyle, or health regimen, especially if you have existing conditions like obesity, diabetes, or colon cancer. Information on gut health, microbiome, fecal transplants, and other topics reflects current trends and research as of March 29, 2025, but is not a substitute for personalized medical guidance. RiseTop is not responsible for any outcomes from applying these sexy secrets or gut health hacks. Your wellness journey is yours. Proceed with care and confidence.